Well, here's the 2000 Sunfire engine that I ran with no engine oil or coolant. Thought we'd break her down and see what happens to her. So you can see this main bearing here. It's all gouged to shit. Crankshaft was seized. See the pile of parts here. And these are the main bearing caps. I don't know how well you can see them, but they're scratched to crap. Obviously, this one here is cracked. Right here. Must have got super hot. And you can see the mega carnage in the oil pan. Just full of shit. Nice. And pistons look pretty good still, except for the one broken piece. Oh well. There was no bearings left at all on any of these. They're all in the bottom of the oil pan. The head's probably still good. It's probably cracked, actually. Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't really as bad as I was hoping it would be. Look at the size of this oil pump. Wow. Good job, GM. You guys are awesome. Fucking junk. More crap. This is probably the crappiest engine GM's ever made. The 2.4 liter. It's in the Sunfire GT and the Cavalier Z24s. Piece of crap. There's a crankshaft. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty burnt. Sorry about the quality. But we got a lot of scrap aluminum and metal here. And one plastic intake for sale. So if you got one of these pieces of shit and it's cracked, which it most likely is, I got one here. So yeah, if you own one of these, you might want to jump off a bridge.